Welcome to Programming Mind Academy. In this video, we are going to do environment setup for PHP programming. So let's get started. We need to install following softwares for the environment setup of PHP programming. We need XAMPP libraries for PHP, which contains Apache and PHP programming libraries. Then we need Visual Studio Code and MySQL. So Visual Studio Code and MySQL that I have done already. You can also do it from their websites. For XAMPP libraries, let's go to the browser and we'll do the XAMPP libraries setup now. So I have opened the uh, browser and we can see I'm searching the XAMPP download here and we found different results. So click on download XAMPP, go to the downloads tab and we can see various versions available here. This is the Apache friends.org downloads. Now go to the home page, click on Apache Friends and here we can see it has libraries of Apache, MariaDB and PHP Form as well. So to download that, go to download and click on download option from Windows version. So I'm using Windows, so I have downloaded the 64-bit latest version of PHP from here, and you can download it as well. So I have it in my downloads folder. So let's go and just install it. Double click on that. When you see download window there, you just need to check it, the setup XAMPP, and you have to click on next. Then keep all the configuration as it is and click on next. Then you will see the selected folder as C, and XAMPP folder is getting created there. So click on next and I will select English, choose your language. Then setup is now ready and begin installing XAMPP on your, okay, click on next and it's get started the installation. It will take some time, so let's wait after the installation. Installation is completed now and you can see the window completing the XAMPP setup wizard. You have to just check it, the do you want to start the control panel now? Yes, and click on finish. You will see the XAMPP control panel window get opened, and you just need to click on start button in front of Apache and MySQL. So it will get the ports assigned to the MySQL and Apache, and click on when you click on admin button, you will see the started localhost PHP my admin page, and the server gets started. So you can add your data in MySQL database, and you can use that anywhere in web services you want. So this is how you can install the PHP on your uh, local machine and start using the XAMPP control panel. And we are going to post the all PHP programming videos in this series, and if you like this video, subscribe to the Programming Mind Academy YouTube channel. Thank you.